Hey boys and girls, we're going to keep practicing our two-digit addition, but today we're going to do it with 3 two-digit numbers, and it's going to work exactly the same way. I know that 66 is 60 and 6, 14 is 10 and 4, and 16 is 10 and 6. I'm going to add my 10s together first. So that will be 60 plus 10 plus 10. I know 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 60 is 80. And now I'm going to add my 1s together. 6 plus 4 plus 6. I know 6 and 4 is a combo of 10, plus 6 more is 16. So now I need to add 80 plus 16 to get my final sum. I know 10 more than 80 is 90, plus 6 more is 96. So I know 96 is my answer. My equal sign is kind of cuts off my space over here, so I'm just going to write my answer right here. And then you'll choose to go to the next page. All right, guys, have a great day.